morning, Falcons.
Today is Wednesday, September 25th. Please stand for the flag salute. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, everyone. Hopefully you are having a fantastic Wednesday morning. See, this is what happened in the morning. But let's start the day off right with academics. If you're interested in being an avid peer tutor at Northview, please, during 5th or 6th period, please see Miss Randall.
Grand Canyon University is having a representative in the Career Center on Thursday, October 3rd at 9 a.m. If you are interested in attending a school in Phoenix, Arizona, then come to room 801 to sign up for the presentation. GCU offers over 100 majors and even pre-professional majors.
Stanford University will have a representative on campus on Thursday, October 10th at 9:30 a.m. If you're interested in attending this presentation, please come to the Career Center. That will be room 801 to sign up.
USC will be on campus on Thursday, October 17th at 1:30. If you would like to come and hear the presentation, come by the Career Center to sign up. All grade levels are welcome.
Azusa Pacific University will present in the Career Center on Friday, October the 18th at 1 p.m. So all students attending must sign up in the Career Center beforehand.
Activities. If any students still want to purchase a picture package, you have until this Friday to turn in your envelope without paying a late fee. Do not mail your orders.
If you haven't done so already, make sure you follow @DohertyASB on Instagram and Twitter for updates on upcoming Spirit Weeks, athletic events, and this year's homecoming theme. Remember, Falcons, we follow back.
Seniors with packages. Your second $50 payment is due the first week of October.
Athletics team pictures are scheduled for this week, so fall athletes, please listen up. Girls tennis is taking pictures on Wednesday. That will be the 25th at 3:30 at the tennis courts. Volleyball, you are taking your pictures Friday the 27th at 3:30 in the gym. Cheer, you are taking your pictures on Saturday, October the 5th at 10 a.m. in front of the school. The coaches have all your pricing information, so please don't wait until the last minute to get your pricing info to your parents. Now, please support your fellow Falcon athletes at the following events. Today, we have volleyball versus Workman home at 3:15, 4:15, and 5:15. JV girls tennis versus Sierra Vista home at 3:15. We also have varsity girls tennis away at Sierra Vista. That will be at 3:15.
On Thursday, we have freshman football away at Azusa at 3:15. Freshman JV and varsity volleyball versus Gladstone home at 3:15, 4:15, and 5:15. And JV girls tennis versus Bassett home at 3:15. Varsity girls tennis away at Bassett at 3:15.
On Friday, we have varsity football away at Azusa at 7. That will be played at the Citrus College Field. Cross country away at Sunny Hills. That's an invitational, and that will be away at 3 p.m. Remember, everybody, come out this Saturday for the Route 66 parade. That will be starting from Rancheros going east. Be sure to come out for the Doherty Annual Picnic. That will be at Royal Oaks Park. Remember, this all starts at 10 a.m. with the parade. All right, everybody, hopefully you make it a beautiful morning. Just remember, I'm Isaiah.
I'm Yaneli.
For Falcon TV, you stay classy.